MX-9 India, Roskilde approach, hello to you, radar contact. Descent 2,100 feet, radar vectors for either the ILS runway 11 or a visual approach runway 11, your choice.
Descending 2,100 and we are able for visual runway 11.
Order, MX-9 India, report the field inside for the visual approach.
Will go.
Have you got it somewhere?
Yeah, it's over there. You see it?
No, actually no.
There is a tower.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
no,
reported inside.
Yeah.
Airfield inside MX-9 India.
Yeah, I didn't know where to look at.
MX-9 India, you clear the left-hand visual approach to runway 11. You're number 1 for runway 11.
Cleared left-hand approach for runway 11. We are number 1. MX-9 India.
Yeah.
Autopilot off, flight director is off. And flips 20 gear down.
Selected gear down. Selected. Gear is down.
Down 3. Okay, before landing checks. Report base, turning base. MX-9 India, turning base.
MX-9 India, radar.
Flips full down.
Selected.
Ja, følge runway heading
very short
i et øjeblik, så.
Huh?
You're going very short final.
Dreje på medvind, og så det finder jeg ud af,
And light slope and keep it, please.
Fint, så gør det, og så skal jeg ikke komme.
And
MX-9 India, runway
terrain
11,
as well.
you clear to land 05 certification.
Report turning final. Turning final, MX-9 India.
MX-9 India, runway 11, you clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 11, MX-9 India. Birds.
Yep. Stabilize.
Landing.
Oscar Foxtrot, kan jeg gå ned af downwind? Ja, det kan du sagtens. Hvad er det? Oscar, jeg kigger på.
Spoilers retracted to unlock to deploy.
MX-9 India, left by taxiway Alpha, Foxtrot, then Delta and Golf.
Alpha, Foxtrot, Delta and Golf, MX-9 India. Okay, left Alpha, Foxtrot, up landing checks, please.
Delta, Golf.
And MX-9 India on Golf, hold short of the apron, the marshaller will guide you into the apron.
On Golf, holding short for Marshall.
Very nice approach, sir.
Thank you.